Good morning, everyone. Today, I'd like to talk to you about trolling motor accessories. And this video is in collaborations with my good friends at Parts View. When you buy a trolling motor, your trolling motor comes with a prop nut, which looks like this, and it has a washer. And in order to remove that prop nut, to check behind your trolling motor to see if there's any fishing line or weeds, you need a ratchet and a socket. Well, MotorGuide has a different prop nut. This one has a wing on it, and it also has the prop nut wrench. And I'd like to show you how that works. When you're on the water and you need to check behind your prop to see if there's any debris or anything, if you have the prop nut wrench and the wing prop nut, it makes that an easy process. You just put that on like that and it screws right off. You don't need a ratchet, you don't need a socket or anything like that. Pops right off. And look, I got just a few weeds behind there. That's not good. We want to take that off. Make sure my little stud is in there. We can flop that right back on. Very easy process. Tighten it up. Also, your prop nut wrench comes with a little compartment there, which gives you extra pins just in case you drop one in the water, and it keeps it securely right in there. Another thing I'd like to talk about is the trolling motor ram mount bracket. If you look closely here, I'll unstrap this for you. When you're running big waves or in rough water, you need to make sure you have your trolling motor locked down so it doesn't move. And here we have the ram mount. I actually have this with a claw, but it also comes with a ram mount strap that attaches to your trolling motor that keeps it safe in place. It's real simple. Screw it right back on, locks it down. One other thing, we also have the trolling motor MotorGuide. It's a universal mount, and this universal mount, you can install it on your boat. The only holes you drill is the initial holes you put. Sometimes you may need to change trolling motors or upgrade, and you don't want to have to drill holes every time. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove that. Just unlatch it right there. Push it to the side. And that trolling motor has a top plate right here, and it has a bottom plate. The bottom plate stays on. You don't ever have to take that off. It doesn't matter what type of trolling motor you have. You won't have to drill holes if you upgrade or have to replace a trolling motor. You just put the top plate on, your trolling motor bracket, put it back on there. Pretty simple. Once you get it in there, slide it on, lock it in place. Okay, those are just a few of the accessories that we talked about today. We have the MotorGuide winged prop nut and the prop nut wrench. We also talked about the universal mounting bracket, and we also talked about the ram mount bracket for trolling motor stabilizing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find all these parts at partsview.com. And while you're there, hit the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for joining me today.